Today we have here the Z Silverado. We got Haydiona's burnout truck. We done took the 6-volt batteries out and we added this Everstart AGM 12-volt battery from Walmart. And fabricated some little clips right here, added it on here. And we charged this with a battery charger, a battery tender.
And I was driving so fast.
Okay, and we're going to put it on and we're going to let you see her do her burnout in her Silverado. Alright, you go down there and do a hook slide. This is the burnout truck. Haydiona in her burnout truck. Turn! 12-volt burnout truck. Haydiona in her 12-volt burnout Silverado truck. Come on, turn around.